Hi, welcome to FluxBuilder. A drag-and-drop app builder creates progressive web app, iOS and Android apps for your websites, or without a site, with elegant UI design and rich e-commerce functionalities quickly and simply. Today, we'll give you an update on what's new in FluxBuilder 2.4. The new version delivers powerful enhancements that give you more design freedom, better localization control, and stronger shopping experiences across mobile apps and PWAs. First up, we've improved the app creation process. After running a standard check, you can now use our new AI Troubleshoot. It gives you a deep dive into any integration issues and provides clear solutions instantly. To make things even easier, we've added a Copy Logs button. This records API calls and error details, like 404 errors or success codes, making it simple to track and fix issues in a snap. Now let's talk about your app's performance. We've introduced product view routing. Typically, products display in a native layout. But now you have the choice. Under Features, Product Card, you can select specific product types to open in a web view instead. And obviously, anything you don't select stays in the native app view. It's all about giving you total control. Let's move on to the next part. Do you want to grab your users' attention immediately? This new feature would impress you. You can now use video splash screens. Instead of a static image, you can upload a local video file. Or simply paste a link. Give it a try. It's a great way to make your app stand out. For our multi-vendor users, we have two great updates. First, as you see, whenever users open a product, they will also see the vendor layout. You can now choose to hide the vendor layout on product pages for a cleaner look. Second, we're excited to introduce WCFM Live Chat. The WCFM Live Chat feature allows real-time communication between users, vendors, and admins directly within your app. Check out our in-app guide for its key features, how it works on app, and a step-by-step setup. Quick tip: be sure to test this feature on a real device to see it in action. Then we haven't forgotten about PWAs. The biggest addition here is the Deploy CORS server tool. Just easily add your Versal API key and your website URL to generate a unique project. You can even leave the URL blank, it is optional. Once you have your CORS server URL, just paste it into your PWA settings. Please open the guide to get more details. Plus, in version 2.4, you can now fully customize your PWA header and footer links. There are so many more features waiting for you to explore in version 2.4. You can find a full list in the description below. Download the new FluxBuilder today and level up your app in minutes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates and tips. See you in the next one.